Hello, here's how to create a simple video with an mp3 audio file on Clipchamp, which is Microsoft's newer online video editing software. So I'm going to go ahead and just log in here, and I'm going to clear this out. And up here where it says create a new video, I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to import some media. I'm going to import my mp3 file. That added it to the project, but not to the video necessarily yet. And then I'm going to add some background video. It could be a video or an image. In this case, I got an ocean scene from Pixabay, which has free videos if you sign up with their website. So now I'm gonna add my mp3 file to the stage, so it has the full length of the mp3 file here, and this is my background mp4 that I'm just gonna run in the background. It doesn't take up the full length of the video, or the mp3, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it a couple times to do that and put them together, and it's just kind of loop, and so this is what it looks like, and it'll play the mp3 in the background. So I'm gonna add some text, some title text. So I'm going to click that to add it to the timeline. So now my title text will be overlaid on top. And I'm going to say, this is my title text. And that's it. So I can, alter the size of this if I want to. So if I select it down here, I can pull out the text over here, and I can increase or decrease the font size, whatever I want to do. I can change the color of the text down here. So if I was on a lighter background, I could make it black. And that's it. Now I'm gonna just stretch it across the whole timeline. So by default, it doesn't put it all the way across the timeline. Now, if I scrub the video head across the whole timeline, you'll see the text always stays up there. So in the upper right hand corner here, I'm going to click on the export button to export this out. I'm going to say it's 720p. That should be good enough, although I could go up to 1080. Alright, and it downloaded it to my desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and play it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.